Still losing contacts and leads? Stop wasting time on paper business cards. Meet Cardify, your AI pocket CRM app.
Search for Cardify on the Google Play Store and install the app. Open it. Allow reminders and notifications, and log in easily using your Google account. That's it. You're now ready to manage your networking with your AI assistant, anytime, anywhere. Your dashboard gives a complete overview of your activity. Track missed and upcoming follow-ups. Monitor your relationship score and see your daily targets and progress. Compare weekly and monthly performance and stay updated with smart insights and bonus stats.
From Workspace tab,
You can create multiple workspaces to organize your contacts efficiently. And from the Contact tab, you can add contacts by scanning visiting cards or V-card QR codes using AI OCR. You can also add contacts manually or import them directly from your phone book. To quickly add a contact, tap on Scan Card. Hold your camera over the card and capture it. Tap Save Contact, and your contact is stored in just 2 seconds. You can edit the details anytime if needed. From the Contacts tab, search for the contact with whom you want to schedule a call or meeting, then tap the Activity button to set a follow-up. Choose date and time. Enable reminders and update the client status. Your contact will be added to the follow-up list for easy tracking. From there, you can call, WhatsApp, record voice notes, update status, and access the full timeline in just one tap. Cardify brings all your interactions into one unified timeline. Reconnect using auto-generated voice message, emails, WhatsApp messages, or quick calls. View activities with date and time. Manage follow-ups by mark as complete with reason or remove, and schedule meetings seamlessly. Add notes or voice notes, and get AI-generated action points instantly.
Reschedule the meeting to next week Monday at 9 a.m.
Confirm the date and time. AI captures your voice note and instantly schedules the meeting. You can also download and share the timeline as a PDF with your team anytime. Cardify, your complete networking and follow-up management solution. Download now and never miss an opportunity again.